Hello. Welcome to IMA. Do you face problems with your laptop, computer, or mobile? Storage full? Virus attack? Scam calls or fake links? Don't worry. We have a solution for you. Join our practical workshop. Date: 20th September. Time: 6 p.m. to 7 p.m. Online session. You will learn how to protect devices from viruses and scams, fix storage issues in mobile and laptop, safe browsing and digital payments tips, best practices for device care. Register now and keep your digital life safe. Don't miss it. See you online. Thank you.